the side with the lion, or what is that? A rhinoceros? Whatever it is. Rhinoceros. This bird doesn't know her animals. That's okay.
That's a triceratops.
Triceratops, whatever. Okay. We are going to start here. Okay. See the word start. All right. So I want you to write your name here, and we're going to start in that start box. Okay. Even though you want to start over here, we're not starting over there. Okay. We're going to start in the start box. All right. Now we're going to do some of these together. All right. And then you're going to work on some. We're going to go over them, and then I'm going to let you work, and I'm going to walk around and check your paper. Okay. Y'all, I'm going to put the anchor chart with the steps for combining like terms. I'm going to put that in our helpful math info part of our Google Classroom. Oh, let me go back. Do y'all know what I'm talking about, where I put the YouTube channel? I'm going to put that in there. So if you go home, you can't remember the steps, you pull it up. All right? So, step 1 tells us to put a plus at the front of the expression. Do we have a plus sign at the front of the expression? No, we do not. So we need to put a plus sign right there. Okay? What does step 2 tell me to do? Do I have any single variables? Nope, I have no single variables, so I can skip step 2. Step 3. Use colored pencils to circle terms with the same exponent, variable, and exponent, okay? Keep the operation signs. Is there anybody that needs colored pencils? All right, let's circle the plus 3x with a red or an orange. A red or an orange. Doesn't matter which one you use, but let's circle plus 3x with one of those colors. Red or orange. Do we have any other terms that have an x that just has a 1 for the exponent, that we can't see the exponent? Do we have any more like that? We have a plus 4x. So we're also going to circle plus 4x with red. And those are the only 2 terms that we have here, okay? So step 4 tells us to put them together, okay? So we have plus 3x, so I have 3 x's, plus 4x, so that means I'm going to put them together.
7.
So how many x's do I have? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right? So we have 7x. So which way are we going?
Right.
We're going to the right, okay?
What do we color it in?
I don't care. Doesn't matter to me what color you do.
So we're going all around the front.
We're going to have to see which way we go.
We
We got to get all the way over there.
We could go down and
But we,
then go
no,
all-
That doesn't say x plus 1.
You're going to have, y'all, you can't just decide which way you're going.
We have to do this.
You've got to do the work, okay? So right now, we're here in the top right corner. All right? So we're going to have to follow some of the ones we're going to not be able to do because we won't go to those boxes. Step 1 tells us to do what?
Put a
Plus sign at the front.
Front of the 2.
Okay, front of the 2. Step 2 tells us to put a 1 in front of any single variable. Do I need to do that with this one?
Yeah.
Where?
X.
The X. So I need to put a 1 right there. Okay, I have a trick question. Who's ready for a trick question?
Me.
Okay. Do I put a 1 in front of the 3?
No,
No. Why?
it's not a variable.
It's not a variable. It's not a letter. So I do not put a 1 there. Okay? Yes, ma'am.
There's a question like that yesterday on the online thing, and I just left the 9 by itself and just like left it alone and then put how many like X's or Y's I have and the -9.
Right. Okay. So I want you to pick a red or an orange pencil. Doesn't matter which color, red or orange. And I want you to circle this plus 2x with your red or orange. Do we have any more x's?
Yes.
Where?
The
The 1x.
The 1x. The plus 1x. I want to keep my plus sign. Now I have a plus 3. Can I circle it red?
No.
No, because it does not have an X. So we need to pick another color, okay? Y'all, listen to me carefully. If you picked red for X, do not pick orange as your next color. They're too close in their color scheme. Your eyes will make a mistake at some point. Pick a color that's really different, like blue, okay? Blue or green, and circle plus 3 with blue or green. All right, step 4 tells me that using the operation symbols, I'm going to put together the things that are the same color, okay? So I've got plus 2x plus 1x. So how many x's do I have?
3.
I have 3. 3x. Then I have plus 3 by itself. Can I do anything with that? Nope, so I just need to do what?
Bring it down.
Just bring it down, plus 3. So which way are we going?
The middle, like diagonal.
3x plus 3. We are headed in the southwest direction, right?
I see that whatever the answer is, you gotta follow it.
Yeah.
That's
I
right.
didn't see that.
Yeah.
Oh,
We just
yes.
We just don't like
So
this.
it's kind of like Windows and
We never want to get.
Yeah. You got to follow the arrows.
like a cookie.
We don't follow these.
Okay, so we're here. Let's do this one together. Step 1 tells me to what?
Do a plus sign at the front.
Put a plus sign at the front. Step 2 tells me to
Put a 1 in front of any variable.
put a 1 in front of any variable. Do I have any variables that need a 1?
Yes.
I've got 2 of them, so what do I need to do?
Put a 1 in front of both.
Put a 1 in front of both of them. Yay, y'all are getting the hang of it. Step 3 tells me to what?
Use color pencils to circle the same terms.
Use colored pencils to circle the same terms. So, let's start with red or orange, and let's circle this plus 4y. Do I have any more y's? Where? I have 2 more. I have plus 1y and plus 1y. So all of my terms are all red, so I can put them all together. So what's my answer, y'all?
6 Y.
6y. Because I have 4y plus 1y plus 1y is 6y. So which way are we going?
To the right.
To the right. So we are here. Oh,
Did that a little bit too big.
I want you to do step 1 and step 2 and stop. Step 1 says to put a plus sign at the front. Step 2 tells you to put a 1 in front of any single variable. So I want you to do step 1, and I want you to do step 2, and I want you to stop. Did I need to put a 1 in front of anything?
No.
No, I did not need to put a 1 in front of anything. Okay? Step 3. I want you to do step 3. Pick a color. Use colored pencils to circle the terms with the same variable and the same exponent. Keep the operation symbol. All right, I'm looking at Justin's paper, and he circled plus 2x with green and plus 2x with green. Now, you may have chosen a different color because TJ picked red, and both of his are red. It does not matter which color you pick as long as both of them are what? The same color, because they are the same. So if I've got 2x plus 2x, how many do I have? 4x. So which way are we going?
Middle ways.
We are going, yep, southwest again.
They're just trying to get rid of you.
Yay! That's what I
the
want to
only
hear.
part that I messed up on is the. Well, I didn't really mess up on it. I just gotta think for a second. The circling it.
Yes, that can become, once you get the hang of what you circle when, it gets a little bit easier, okay? And the more you do the chart, the easier it becomes, right? You have to do the steps, okay? So, I want you to do this box, all 4 steps by yourself, and stop. And we're going to go over that. Now I want you to take your colored pencil, I want you to circle this plus 1x. Okay. Now, does this one have an x? No, you can't do that one red. Does this one? Just do the whole thing. Okay. Now, this one doesn't match, so you need another color for this one. So, how many x's do you have? Nope. 1x plus 3x is 4. All right, step 1 tells me I need to do what?
Put a plus sign in front of the second.
Put a plus sign in front of the first one. Step 2 tells me to do what?
Put a 1 in front of every single variable.
Do I have any single variables? Where?
The X.
The x. So I'm going to put a 1 right there, okay? Step 3 tells me I need to what?
Use color pencils to circle the terms with the same variable and exponent.
All right, so I've got plus 1x there. Remember to keep your operation symbol, okay? Do I have any more x's? Where?
Plus 3x.
Plus 3x. So I'm gonna circle that one blue. My plus 3, does that match? No, so what do I need to do? I've got to get a different color, okay? And I'm gonna circle that one with a different color because it doesn't match, okay? So I can put my blues together. Plus 1x plus 3x is how many x's? 4x. I only have one orange, so what do I need to do with my one orange?
Bring it down.
Just bring it down, plus 3. So which way are we going?
Right.
To the right. And we're here. All right, I want you to keep going, okay? I want you to do 2 boxes, and then we're gonna go over those 2 boxes. If you want to ask me before you move on, raise your hand. Yep, keep going. What? Yep, keep going. Yep, right there. And then just like one there. And then what you need to do. Alright, keep going.